Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for another die-cast unboxing. Now, full honesty here, this one is not new. I got it second hand back at East in June of 2024 in the bring and buy. The person who was selling it, it didn't do what he wanted it to do, but he run it once or twice. And I managed to pick this up for £15. What is it? Well, we'll get into all of that in a moment. The King of Speed, as it is on the side of the body shell, is a JJRC Q123 1/16 scale short course high speed and spray drift truck. So it's got this spray thing out the back to make it look like it's got tyre smoke and stuff like that. I'm not going to use that feature today and fill it up with water and all the rest of it. It is cold as sin outside, and don't really want to risk things like that. Before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment and subscribe. Right, so I have taped up the box and various bits and pieces. So I've done some research on this. You can buy this on Bangood for £27.98 currently. I spent 15 quid on it. It is virtually new. I think it'll be worth it. It's 2.4 gigahertz. It's four-wheel drive. It's a brushed 370 motor. It comes with a 2S lithium ion 20 amp 600 mAh 7.4 volt pack that I've already charged up. And let's get into the actual box and the unboxing part of it, Sharky, because you're taking your time as per usual. So there are two body shell colours. There is this one, and there is this one. So it's got the spray function, it's got LED lights, 360 rotation. Well, has two sets of tyres. So it has grip tyres and it has drift tyres. It's on the drift tyres at the minute, and I will change on the grip tyres before I do a speed run with it outside. It's omnidirectional, so I am hoping it has proportional steering, but we will see. I'm not holding out too much hope because I've seen the remote that's with it. Four-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz on there. That end's plain. That end shows both versions, and then on the bottom it has got, if we get it the right way over, all of the details. Two AA batteries needed for the remote. The 7.4 volt pack goes inside, and obviously it shows there that it is a Q123. So, dragging it out the box. That's the wrong end, because that's the end I sealed up. This is the better end. It's quite well packaged. Let's say, get that out. Come on, come on. Release. There we go. Right, let's put the box over there in the background and turn it around that way. No, we'll keep it the other way because it will show both of them. We have got the blue with the lime green, which is probably why I chose to buy it. It comes with this battery pack. It's onto the new 4-pin JST plugs as opposed to 3. So no balance lead and all the rest of it on these now. We used to get those on those. Comes with the USB charger, which, come on, focus. Let's see. So 5 volt, 2 amp. It's a 500 milliamp hour. So it'll take just over an hour to charge that from flat. I've charged that already and pulled a screwdriver out, although I don't think I need one. The remote, it's okay. It's not clicky, but that is. So I think it may have proportional throttle, but not proportional steering. Don't know what the button does there. Has an on off. In the bottom here goes 2 batteries, which I have here. the truck itself, and let's get the other bits out of the thing. We have a set of instructions, including how to change the tyres. They've got nuts on them, so I need to get out a wheel wrench for that, which is interesting. Japanese on the back, English on the other side. It comes with, oh, they're fake nuts. It's got a screwdriver that goes into it. Now this has got a steam function, and there are the grip tyres, which we will put on for the speed run. Some other spare bits in there, some spare nuts. So they've got, oh, it looks like they've got a screw in the middle and then a hex around the outside, so you can do it with either a nut or with a screwdriver. Body posts, which we shouldn't need because of the nature of this. Right, let's alter the angle and have a better look at the truck itself. Right, time for a sip of coffee. When we run it outside, I have got the GSM speed meter. I'm going to mount that in the back there. So this is the tank here for the fluids, for making the stream of steam come out the back here, which this illuminates to make it look like smoke. It's got rear lights in there. You see it's on the drift tyres. You can see that it's been run a little bit on those, but not very much. Has an on and off switch underneath. Nice front splitter, front lights, nice body, nice protection on the top, so if you flip it, hard plastic rear wing, and there. These tyres look really nice, but there again, so do the grip tyres. So we can get them switched over for running outside. I've put the batteries in here. Under here, got two clips and a screw. Get that done and we'll get the battery inside. Right, you can see inside it's saying 7.4 volt DC. It's turned off, so I can just plug it in. Let's plug that into there like that, and then come back to you once I've got it running. Right, so batteries in here. Turn your remote on first, so it's flashing. Under here, switch it on. Looks like it's now bound. Now I'm going to try, will it sit better that way? No, it's not going to run on here, so we're going to have to go back to the old coffee cup method because it's too, actually, here's an idea. If I put two of those tyres either side there like that, that should lift the body up. There we go. So we can now so it has got somewhat proportional, because there's no proportion on the steering. Right, let's give it a little bit of a run round on here, and then we'll switch to the GoPro and run it around on the kitchen floor on the drift tyres before we take it outside and do speed runs on the grip tyres. Right, just made Mum a cup of coffee, stuck the thingy on the back. Too much grip on this table, I think. Right, let's switch to GoPro and see how it runs on the floor. Right, GoPro on. This on the pure smooth surface at the skate park will be a lot of fun. Not a lot of ground clearance, but a hell of a lot of fun. You've got some lino or some wooden floor without that was a full 360 there. Right, let's take this outside and run it on the drift tyres. Right, we're outside. There's still some frosty patches which we may go and run on in a little bit and do that. We're going to try and get some speed runs now we've got the grip tyres on. Straight as an arrow. Should make the speed runs easier because it's relatively straight, it's not that fast. It's flat out. I got it on a little bit of frosty patch there and got the back end round. I don't know whether you've seen that. The first speed run is 9 miles an hour. We'll see whether we can back that up now. Pretty fast. Do one more pass. And then we'll go and see in one of the frosty bits and see if we can... Ooh. And the backup on that is just 7 miles an hour, but the headlights are flashing, so I don't know whether the battery's getting a little bit low, whether I hadn't got a full charge into the battery or not. Right, let's have some fun with this now and move it across onto the icy patch over there and see what we can do with the grip tyres on. Right, we've got a nice frosty section here. And obviously these are the grip tyres. Well, that looks like the battery's run out. It started working again, so I wonder whether it's like an overheat cutout or something. I don't know. We'll see. You can do a J turn, but then it's cut out again. So yeah, it may just be a low battery cut out on it. Right, we'll take it inside and get you those conclusions. Well, what a fun little rig. So it is cold, it's in the minuses out there today, so the battery not doing so well outside, I can totally understand. I will get it on charge, we'll try that again. I will take this out to the skate park. I will start off on the grip tyres and then switch to the drift tyres, and I think that'll be a lot of fun up there like that. I'll also see if I've got another one of these batteries with this same connector on that I can take with me, so I've got a couple of batteries. £15 I spent, I'm happy with that. Would I be happy with the £27.98 or the £28? Yeah, I would. It's a lot of fun. You get a smooth surface indoors. It's going to be a lot of fun. Warmer temperatures, and obviously you have got the smoke function, which, you know, for younger RCers will probably be more fun. It's solid. It's got the flashing lights which give us the low battery warning, which I think is quite cool. So yeah, lots of really good features, lots of fun and value for money. King of Speed, the JJRC Q123 1/16 scale. Is it the king of speed? Well, it's a 370 brush motor with a 20 amp 600 mAh 7.4 volt lithium ion. Similar to the Pinecone models, the SG ones. The SG ones are a lot faster, an awful lot faster, and the brushed one even, the brushless one even more so. But you know, they're different things, and the price is dramatically different. So it's one that can easily go on holiday with people, so it's a really good buy overall. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again next time.